Hello everyone. Today we are going to see another notepad. It's a lightweight but powerful notepad. It's material notes. So let's see how it works. So you can see that it has a very good clear interface. If you want to create a note, you can just click on the plus sign, just add a title and the content. You can see it here. Let me create one more test note. Test 2. So you can see it in list format or you can see it in grid format as well. So you can see it this way. And this has a lot of additional features. Let's say you have the option to format the text. You want to make it bold. You have everything here down at the bottom. You can just click on them. You can make it bold. You can make it italic, underline, whatever you want to do. You can do it very easily. And it has more other options to add bullet points, whatever you want to do, everything is here. And moreover, it has the option to add checklists as well. In case if you want to do add any shopping notes, you can do it. And you can just check it as well. And it has the option to just see it in the view mode. It'll be easier for you to copy the things, or in case if you want to edit, you can just click on the pencil icon here and you can just start editing it. And apart from this notepad has an option to add labels. Let's say you want to categorize your notes, you want to create subject wise. You can just click on the manage labels and you can create a label. Let's say you want to create some notes for language, you can create a label for that, and one for science, one for your books. You can just create all the labels. And now let me add one of them to that particular list. So you can just click on the labels and you can add it to the respective category. So now once I click on language, it will just show only that note. So it will be easier for you to create a lot of notes and categorize them, and you can later see particular set of notes. So if you have added notes to the books, you can just go there and it will list all the notes labeled with books. And apart from this, it has many other options. Let's say you want to take backup, you can just go to the settings and click on backup, export as JSON. This will export everything. And in case if you want to encrypt with a password, you can just enable it and you can give a password and click on OK. And if you want to pin a note, you can just select it, you can pin it to the top. It will be easier for you to view it at any time. And in case if you want a search for a particular thing among all the notes, let's say you have created a lot of notes and you want to search for a particular thing, you can search for it. It'll be easier for you to search the notes as well. And in case if you want to sort the notes, you can click on it and you can sort the notes. So let's see what are the options that are available in the settings. You have the option to change the language, the theme, and also you have other options. In case if you want to change the background, you can enable it and you can see here it'll add a light background. You can add separators, title only. Let's say If you see here, it shows all the text items. In case if you have created a lot of notes, some tens or hundreds of notes, it will become clumsy. To make it easier at that point, you can just enable this option to show only the titles. So now you can see it just shows only the title. It'll be easier for you to read it. And you can add behavior, what to do when you right swipe or left swipe. You can just select the respective option. Now I'm going here, just swiping right, it just copies the note. It's easier. So what other options regarding the label, how you want the labels column to work, you can configure it here. And the editor, you have other options for the editor. um, let's say you want to open a particular note only in a read mode, you don't want all the notes to open in edit mode, you can just enable the option. You can see it here. Once I open the note, it won't just let me edit, it'll just let me copy it. But if you want to edit it, you can click on the pencil icon and then you can edit it. So these are the other options you have it here. And regarding the backup option, we have already seen regarding backup. So once you click on export, you can select a particular place where um, you want to save it. So I have exported it, and you can also enable automatic export. You can enable this option and you can configure how frequently the backups should happen, every day or every 3 days. You can configure it here. So all your notes will be safe. Accessibility configuration. So now we have taken backup. Let me show you if it works. I have deleted all the notes. I'm going to the backup and I have imported it. That's it. Everything is back. Note regarding this app, it's an open source, so you don't need to worry about the security and privacy of this. It doesn't ask you for internet access, so your data is saved locally and your privacy is secured.